Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to the market with my mom. We need fresh vegetables. Good morning. Today, we go to the market. I'm ready. Let's go to the market. Mom, are we going to the market today?
Yes, Lucy. We need vegetables for dinner. We need tomatoes, carrots, and some spinach today.
Oh, I want to help choose them. Bring your bag, Lucy.
I have it. I'm ready. The weather is beautiful today. Yes, it's a great day to go to the market.
Mom, is the market far from our house?
No, Lucy. It's only a short walk from here.
Mom, look! The market sign is over there.
Yes, Lucy. The market is just around the corner.
Wow, Mom! The market looks busy today.
Yes, Lucy. Many people come here every morning.
There are so many vegetables here.
Yes, Lucy. This is where people buy fresh food.
Mom, these tomatoes look very fresh.
Yes, they are. Tomatoes are very healthy.
Good morning. Would you like some tomatoes?
Yes, please. They look very fresh.
Excuse me, how much are the tomatoes?
They are $2 per kilo.
These tomatoes look very good. Please give us 1 kilo.
1 kilo of tomatoes.
Wow! Wow!
That is a lot.
Lucy, put these in your bag.
Okay, Mom.
Mom, look! Those carrots are so bright.
Yes, they look very fresh.
Mom, are these carrots fresh today?
Yes, Lucy. These carrots are very fresh.
Excuse me, can we buy some carrots?
Of course. Fresh carrots today.
Mom, the carrots are very big.
1 kilo of carrots.
That's a lot of carrots. Lucy, put the carrots in your bag.
Yes, Mom.
Mom, look at those green vegetables.
Yes, Lucy. Those are leafy greens.
Mom, what vegetable is this?
That is spinach.
Oh, spinach is very healthy. People eat it in many dishes.
I want to try spinach. Can we buy some spinach, please?
Yes, of course.
Hi, Lucy. What are you buying?
Vegetables for dinner. We bought tomatoes and carrots.
Wow, those look very fresh.
My mom also buys vegetables here every morning.
This market has many healthy foods.
We are going home now.
Okay, Lucy. See you later.
Mom, I learned many vegetables today.
Yes, Lucy, you did very well.
Mom, what will we cook tonight? We will cook vegetables for dinner. Today we bought tomatoes, carrots, and spinach. Thank you for learning with me today. See you next time.